Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I sew the corset part of a gown that I'm making. So I'm going to just walk you guys through what I'm doing with the corset part. So I've placed my pattern paper on the fabric that I'm using. I'm using a doll face as the main fabric and I'm using an ordinary lining as the lining. So I've placed my pattern paper on the fabric and I've cut out the center fronts, the side back and the center back. So I'm showing you guys these 4 pieces. That's 2 of the main fabric and 2 of the lining. So I'll show you guys how I drafted this pattern maybe in the next video, or I'll upload the video later. So I'll definitely show you guys how I drafted this pattern. So I went ahead to join the bodies. I added half inch allowance around my pattern, so that was what I used to join all the pieces together. And this is everything: the side front, the side back, center front, center back. I joined everything with the half inch allowance that I gave to it because I want to do an outside boning channel. So this is my lining. I joined it exactly the same way I joined the main fabric, exactly the same way with the half inch allowance. So I'm going to go ahead and iron them, but before then I'll show you guys. So this is the pieces that I cut out. I want to do an outside boning channel, so I'm going to place this on my fabric. Please iron your stuffs. I've not ironed this one, that's why it's looking like that. I will iron them and I will place them on the bodies. Like, just place it the way you want to design, but I'm just going to show you guys how I placed mine. So I'll place it on the bodies. I'll insert my boning channel, my bonings into all those channels. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I sew the bra cups. So I'm using a bra foam for this. I'm not using an already made bra cup. So I'm using a bra foam and I've placed my pattern on the bra foam. I've cut out the center front, side front, all the pieces of the bra foam, and also I've cut out the fabric that I'm going to use to cover the bra foam. Okay, so I cut everything with half inch allowance around it because my machine does not have a zigzag stitch, so it's just a regular stitch. I'm going to use that half inch to join everything together. So remember how to do the 3 cup pieces. You first join the 2 lower bra cups. That's what I'm showing now. You join the 2 lower bra cups. I gave half inch like I said. I'll join with half inch, then I'll attach the upper one. That's basically how to do it. And I'll do the same thing to the main fabric, the same thing to the lining. So join with half inch, then you attach the upper bra piece to it. So I'll go to my machine now and do it, then I will show you guys the finished work on the bra cups. So this is the finished work. This is the bra cups. Look at how they are. So I'm showing you guys it's still half inch that I used to join everything, but don't forget to trim down the allowance. I'm going to trim the allowance down. I went ahead to join the fabric that I used to cover it. I placed the lace on them, and this is the lining. I joined it exactly the same way I joined the bra foams. So I'm going to open it and trim down this allowance. Make sure you trim it down so your bra cup will not be looking somehow bulky. So I'll go ahead, place the fabric there, and I'll sew it all around. So back to the bodies. So I'm showing you guys that this is the way I placed the boning casing. Yeah, that's the boning casing. So I'm also placing a lace on it. I really want to design this outfit, so I'm not yet sure what I want to do at this point, but I think I want to add a lace there. So this is the finished work on the bra cup. I will place it on my bodies and I will sew it all around. So I just placed it. Guys, take a second and appreciate these bra cups. I'm definitely going to drop a tutorial on how I drafted this, so just consider subscribing, turning on the notification because I will upload it soon. So I went ahead to join the bra cups and I joined the yoke of camera, yes, and I also did the eyelets of camera. My battery died while I was filming, so that was why I didn't film when I was doing this part. So I placed lace on the back. So I placed lace on the back part of this corset, and this is the inside. Look at how neat it's looking. I went ahead to attach the yokes and I've placed in the bonings into those boning casing. The only thing remaining for me to do now is to cover that down parts, and I'm going to be using a bias to cover it. So I'll go to the machine and cover it, join the shoulders, and I'll show you guys the finished work. Just the finished work on the corset aspect. Actually, I'm still going to do more to this because this is going to be a gown. I'm going to be attaching the skirt part of it. This is going to be a gown. So this is just the finished work on the corset part. I have plans of beading this outfit. This is the back. I have plans of beading this outfit, so this is just the corset parts. I'm going to upload the full video, or maybe I'll just upload how the outfit came out on my shorts. So guys, look out for that. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for those that have subscribed already. Thank you for those that take out your time to watch all my videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.